Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside 2-in-1 cordless brass cutter, 40 volt. The model is PPFSA 40LE-A1. Bare unit, battery and charger are not included. That means you need to buy the battery and the charger separately. Or if you have any Parkside tool, you can use these batteries because it belongs to the Parkside X20 volt team. Tool compatible with all batteries in the Parkside X20 volt team series. It is a cordless 2-in-1 tool with two functions. Drive unit is a brushless motor, especially durable, powerful with low wear and tear. Innovative, highly energy efficient brushless motor, up to 30% longer running time when compared to conventional motors. Brushless, it is a motor technology with a free maintenance. Brushless motor, it is better compared with a brushed. Grass trimmer cutting diameter, it is 34 centimeters. Line length spool. 5 meter line thickness, 2.4 millimeter. Brass cutter cutting diameter, it is 25.5 centimeters. Fatigue free work thanks to the comfortable carrying strap with a quick release. And of course you need two 20 volt, total 40 volt batteries to work this cordless brass cutter. Okay, now let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. This is the performance line from Parkside. Are the good tools, are the best tools from Parkside. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Carry-on bag, Parkside Performance. Nice. We've got all the keys, screws inside, I like that. We've got the grass trimmer and the brass cutter. We need to remove this protective plastic. And we can see here are the blades, two blades cutting the brass. Nice. Okay, now let's install that here. It goes at this position. Remove that. Here are the controls, I like that. And we've got a button for adjusting speed. Lock, unlock, you need to press this button to unlock. Nice. Okay, here it is. We've got this rubber, that means it goes here at this position. And of course you can adjust it if you want, it is your choice. And this lever, it locks, goes here. And that was all, easy installation. Okay. Next, let's move on and install this. The protective cover, it goes here. Press and it locks. And I think we've got two screws to install. Yep, correct. There's the screws. Screws are going here. One here. We need this key and the other here. And that was all. We have this Allen key, and this plastics is for this cable. Nice. with the Allen we need to rotate that, and inside there is a gap, and I need to fit this Allen just to lock this mechanism. Oh, there it is. We got this gap, goes inside, and unscrew the opposite side. And if you want to install the grass trimmer, it goes here. That was all. And if you want to install the brass cutter, let's remove that again. Removing that, goes here. Find the lock. Okay. Perfect. And it rotates, perfect. It is your choice what you want to use. And of course, next we need to install that here. Very easy. Goes here. Rotate that. Unscrew this red lever. It locks. And then with the red lever, just rotate. Tied it very well. And that was all. Perfect. And of course, after installing that, you need to install the two batteries. You can choose the 4 ampere hours 20 volt, or you can choose the 2 ampere hours 20 volt. But Parkside, it has a new battery, this Parkside Performance battery 20 volt 8 ampere hours, double the power. Can you imagine to have these two batteries installed here? And it costs 55 euros. I will do a video, stay with me, that's why subscribe, hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss my video from this battery. I will test it and see how long it will last. Okay, installing the batteries are very easy, just look, same as the other side. Perfect. It says Parkside Performance Brushless. The battery indicator, and pressing the button, you can see it's not working. You need to press that button here. This is the safety button, and now we've got the LED indicator on here. It is in low, goes at middle and high. Low. Wow, definitely it has power. I can't wait to test it. And of course, you can install this carrying strap. Goes here, and at your chest, at your back, goes everything that. I will show you guys. I will install it at myself and see how it works. Well, I think it's about time. Let's move on. That was all about this tool, reviewing and unboxing. I can say this very well manufactured. Let's move on for testing. Adjustable carrying strap helps you to hold better the tool. And I will start the first test with a brass cutter. Controls at the handlebar, switch on or off, and speed from low, medium to high. and let's start cutting. And definitely it can cut very well all this area. In some cases there was thicker branches. And next test it is with the grass trimmer. Nice job! Clean it very well all the area. Definitely the two batteries, total 40 volt, it will give enough power just to cut everything. It doesn't stop anywhere. Even on the thicker branches it can do the job and cut everything very well. Well guys, that was all about. It was the 2-in-1 cordless brass cutter, 40 volt, with a brushless motor that makes the differences on this tool. It is the performance line from the Parkside. I'm very happy with the results, and definitely if you need that kind of tool just to take care of your garden, it is the right choice. Just buy it and do your job. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell because more videos are coming in the next days. In this week it is all about take care of your garden with a cordless battery powered tools. And share this video, you never know who may need it. That was all guys, thank you again for watching. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.